There is a saying in Korea that only those who have experienced pain can understand. Only those who have suffered can empathize with pain. There's a Korean businessman who started a company after experiencing some kind of pain. In 2003, Byung-gi-yu, the first CEO of IZEN, was a successful businessman in the Korean restaurant industry. But at the time, he was suffering from constipation and hemorrhoids.
아버지께서도 이제 항문 질환이 있으셨거든요.
Then he happened to try an enema bidet developed by a startup company. IZEN, for the people who suffer around the world. CEO Yu tried the bidet and liked it so much that he bought 10 of them and gave them away to his friends. Then he met the manufacturer and suggested developing the product further to an electronic bidet and directly invested 300 million won, willingly so. However, investment in product development ultimately failed. Things didn't turn out well for the company, and it became impossible to recoup the investment. However, at this time, CEO Yu makes an unexpected decision. He decided to acquire the company altogether.
횟집을 하시다가 아이젠을 인수를.
After leaving the restaurant business and taking office as CEO of IZEN, he succeeded in developing an electronic enema bidet by investing all his money. IZEN became the first bidet to be certified as a medical device in 2009. Only bidets registered as medical devices have enema function, and IZEN is the first and only colon washing device in Korea. IZEN uses its patented one-pocket, three-nozzle enema nozzle to manage a hidden inch in our body. The key is to reduce fluctuations in air particles in the stream of water sprayed from the enema nozzle, and to maintain a straight stream of water to soften the stool in the rectum and help comfortable bowel movements. IZEN bidets are made with stainless steel that is resistant to contamination, which also makes them more sanitary. This unrivaled product power has been recognized overseas as well. Currently, IZEN bidets are exported to 32 countries around the world and have over 20 patents and certifications. In particular, as the shortage of toilet paper in the US due to the spread of COVID-19 was a positive factor, the demand for bidet products in Korea increased, and as of last year, IZEN surpassed $10 million in sales for the first time in the US market and ranked in the top 10 bidet brands with the highest sales in the Chinese market. IZEN, a company that has been researching only bidets for 18 years, is currently led by CEO Myung-jae-yu, the son of the first chairman who has passed away. After graduating from New York University's School of Business, he is using his experience working at a foreign securities firm to stabilize the financial structure and target overseas markets. Since taking office in 2018, IZEN has grown rapidly from 27 billion won in sales to 38.5 billion won. In the future, IZEN aims to occupy the #1 global market share as a Korean bidet brand. It changed my life, which has been said by a US customer, became the slogan of IZEN. Would there be a more impactful slogan than this for those who have suffered from anal disease? The company that went beyond the concept of using a bidet for cleanliness to develop a medical enema device used for anal health. IZEN,